Rediscover your sense of freedom with the Efoldi Lite and explore with confidence, whether that's travelling by air, land or sea. Efoldi's award-winning, travel-friendly scooters are not only ultra-lightweight and portable, they're also extremely compact to help make travel simple and achievable. The Lite folds and unfolds in just a few seconds, so it's easy to store and transport in a car, plane or train. No complex assembly is required, just unfold and go. Designed, manufactured and rigorously tested to the highest standards, Efoldi scooters are made using high-quality components, so they're tough, durable and ready for any travel adventure. With simple, intuitive controls, the Efoldi Lite is easy to use but also comfortable and exceptionally manoeuvrable. Perfect for negotiating tight, confined spaces, whether that's shopping for essentials or sightseeing abroad. The lighter way to empower your life. Enjoy hassle-free holidays and delightful days out, and make travel a breeze again with the Lite from Efoldi.